Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the highly anticipated video of we're going to compare the Multimatic 220 and the ESAB Rebel 205 AC/DC. So we got them here. As you can see, they're together. This is kind of an exciting video because we're gonna go through each one of them. We're gonna talk about the differences mainly. We're gonna do a little bit of welding with them. And you guys have seen me weld with this one. You've seen me weld with this one. So I'm gonna give you kind of a breakdown of the comparison. So to start out everything, I'll walk around front here. We'll go through some of the different features on them. On the Rebel, as you can see, it's the regular Rebel screen. It is, you just toggle through all the features. Very cool. What it differs here, and here's your AC TIG that everybody wanted to talk about. This thing I got it on the Multimatic here, 220. I got it set up for AC TIG. So there's a little bit different. So the interface in that you toggle through, and you can look at this one. You have to manually hit the button, and you can't touch the screen, or the screen's smaller. Still nice features. I like it. I mean, it's still clear. One of the main differences, they have their Pro Set. When you automatically hit TIG aluminum, it comes up with a Pro Set feature. This is what we recommend you weld on with the size material, that size tungsten. Whereas if you're on ESAB, they do not have like a Pro Set feature. So you have to kind of know a little bit of what you're welding and what amperage to run, what frequency to run, that kind of thing. So very cool to see them together. Just to break down each machine on some of the differences, both hold the same size spool, so you can get up to a 8-inch or 7-inch spool, 11-pound spool of wire in here, and either one of them. This one, as we can see here in just a second, has an LED light, lights up the welding bay. Very cool, very cool. You do have to change out the drive rolls. This one has quick sets where you just push in and change what size wire you're running. It's one drive roll. You don't have to buy multiple sets as that ESAB you do. The ESAB is limited to 205 amps on AC and DC. This one will do 210 amps on AC. We're talking 5 amps there. Let's see, this one, they both do 120 or 240 volt with the swap of a plug. So ESAB comes with a already pre-molded adapter plug. This one, the Miller, has their style plug. So downfall to this, it breaks, you got to order it, you're down. That thing, if you lose the adapter, you can make one up at a hardware store. So that's nice. The versatility on that's really nice. This unit here, we have it set up for TIG welding because we were TIG welding aluminum. The gas solenoid is on the front, so your TIG torch goes in, your gas hose plugs into the gas solenoid on the front of the machine. This unit is, as you can see, there's a little hole. The gas solenoid is in the back of the machine, and the gas is fed through the TIG torch. So it's a special TIG torch for this unit. Now, why do you ask? What's so bad about that? Well, what happens if you lose that, break that, something? You got to order that. This one, it's a DINS connection, and it's got a gas hose on it. So it's parts are readily available for this, where you'd have to order that. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying that's a difference. The weight difference: 49 pounds, and then 56 pounds. We're only talking 7 pounds. Still a lot. You throw a 11-pound spool in there. They're heavy units, so if you have to carry them with your hands, if you don't have a cart or something. This one has dual gas ports on the back for either so your TIG and spool gun in one and your MIG in the other. This one also has dual gas ports in the back. Kind of a nice feature to have for MIG and TIG. Touch on capabilities. This one will run 6010 electrode. If you watched our last video, we ran it. This one struggles to run it. Will it run it? Yes, but it struggles. Can't keep the arc stable. Both have the same warranty, 3-year warranty. This one has an ironclad warranty where it's in, they say 100% satisfaction guaranteed, so you get your money back within 90 days if you're not satisfied with this unit. So they're really trying to stand behind the warranty. They're trying to stand behind customer service, saying, hey, if you don't like it, we'll give you your money back. That's pretty cool. I mean, that you don't see that. Miller, as always, tried and true, they stand behind everything. So if you're unhappy, not an ironclad 90-day money back guarantee, but still good customer service, 3-year warranty, pretty good plans. Price point on these units, about the same. They're gonna run right around $3,000. So comparable pricing. I can't really talk, bash either one for either of those. So another interesting fact that you might find kind of dumb, but it's not a bad deal. So this one's IP23 rated and this one's IP21. So what that stands for is ingress protection, and then it's either a 20, this one's a 23, this one's a 21. So what that means, this one can withstand spraying water and this one can withstand dripping water. But in the class of IP23, it puts it into outdoor use on the ESAB. This unit kind of keeps it limited to indoor hobby, light and, I wouldn't even say that, hobby kind of thing going in. They're trying to promote this as an industrial unit, saying that it has an IP23 rating, so it can withstand spraying water, not just dripping water. Kind of interesting. It's how you interpret whether you're dripping or you're spraying water. I don't know. But that's kind of a unique rating that they put on these. So touching back on the TIG side of things on these units, this one is capable of 60 to 150 hertz, whereas this one is capable of it's more. It's 25 to 400 hertz on this unit, which is pretty outlandish. That's pretty cool. You can change the amplitude on this unit. You cannot change the amplitude on this unit. So we're talking, there's a little bit of differences. This one's user friendly because it has pro set features, it has auto set features, and then they have this new thing called Quick Tech. You can leave the MIG, TIG, and stick all hooked up. Well, you can leave the MIG and TIG stick hooked up, and you can flip-flop between either one, and it knows which one you got. As soon as you pull the trigger or step on the foot pedal, it flips right back over to the old settings. That's pretty cool. ESAB does not. You have to go back into their screen, and you have to set everything back up or choose what process you want to do. So they're all in all, they're similar units, but there's minor differences that set them apart, I think. So, well, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope I answered most of your questions. If you have any more questions, leave them in comments below. We'll be sure to answer them. And this is a kind of a unique thing to have these two animals in one room, but you know what? This is great. I think putting them head to head in a weld test would be something to see. So what we're going to do, stay tuned, we're going to weld with units and we're going to try them out. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe at Baker's Gas on YouTube, and